skip to the good part.
Preview. Your attention.
Find peace anywhere you come from. Coulda up, you coulda down. Blessings on my nation. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
The most beautiful part about life is that you don't have to have it all figured out. What matters is that you're here now, in this present moment. Live a beautiful life unapologetically full of mistakes, and keep growing into the you that you're supposed to be.
Take a moment to breathe, to breathe. I don't want you to leave, to leave. Capture the moment so it never ends. Before you leave, show me
Sunrise, sunrise, looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 for hours. And I said, ooh, ooh. Surprise, surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes.
Blinkt da was? Ich seh was, ja?
sun is shining, weather is easy. Make you want to move your dancing feet now. In the morning, gather the rainbows here. Want you to know I'm a rainbow too. To the rescue, hero. Want you to know just if you can, we're all still. Sun is shining, weather is easy. Make you want to move your dancing feet now. When the morning
You are not in the UK, you are in Barbados.
I don't wanna go, but baby, we both know this is not our time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not the end. It will come a day when we will find a way. Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation.
On the deck of a ship beneath the starry sky, pirates of love with hearts weary and dry, we sing our songs on this endless ride, in search of the land that is you, my love, our guide. Pirates of love, we sail with fervor bold, through the rough seas towards your warmth untold, with perseverance and courage so true, we'll steal your heart, there's naught we can't do. With winds against us and waves crashing high, forward we sail, never saying goodbye. Oh sailor, raise the sail, don't look astern, for the treasure we seek lies in your eyes, we are earned. Pirates of love, we sail with fervor bold, through the rough seas towards your warmth untold, with perseverance and courage so true, we'll steal your heart, there's naught we can do. And when storms threaten to take us away, we vow to stand firm, together we'll stay. Our fate is uncertain, but all is secure. Under moon and stars, our bond will endure. Pirates of love, we sail with fervor bold, through the rough seas towards your warmth untold, with perseverance and courage so.
I'm gonna just wait here for a little bit. Let time pass.
Du bist ja schon da. Sag mal, wo geht's denn heute hin? Wo geht's denn heute hin? Oh, ich versuche sie mal rein. So? Ich würde sagen, wink mal! Ja! Wir gehen heute nach Karibik. Ja. Das ist die Stadt der Geburt. Genau. Da geht's heute hin. Geht die Reise? Willst du machen? Ja? Ich gebe hin. Ist noch keiner da? Wir sehen uns gestern. High five. Woo!
Favorite, okay. 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 In the hood they say they love me, yeah, I'm their favorite. Okay.
Große Freiheit, ich hab mich nach dir gesehnt. Du hast dich in mein Herz geträumt. Es ist schön, dich wieder zu sehen. Große Freiheit. What are you doing?
She said, let me cater to you. I say cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the tea. No. She said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. Oh, she said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. Oh, and then she bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back is the greatest bend over. Push back, roll your waist and bend over. Push back, oh Miss Lady, bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back, give me the greatest bend over. Push back, you are the wickedest bend over. Push back, why?
I wanna wine on your bumper. I know you like steam. I know you like vibes. I know you like speed. Clockwork, gal.
Auf geht's! Okay. No head! Thank you very much. Yeah. Ich würde sagen, wir stehen hier schon wieder. Nur kurz in die Stadt gehen. Nur kurz in die Stadt gehen. Was machst du denn da unten?
Und hier heißt es zunächst warten. Und warten. Und warten.
Tell you, it's my birthday. Ta-da!
And there's a place that I've dreamed of where I can free my mind.
Good morning, everyone. Drink your coffee. Enjoy this morning. Don't forget to smile. Be grateful for what you have. And have a good day.
Yes.
Okay.
Like snake in the grass, one with your thickness and your right back. I said, send it right back. Say your thought was a friend, I will lock it like that. Coming on the life like snake in the grass, one with your thickness and your right back. Well, I don't want time to be there. Lucky for you, my friend. I ain't a book to speak. Thought was a friend, I will lock it like that. Coming on the life like snake in the grass, one with your thickness and your right back. One with your thickness and your right back. Say me thought was a friend, I will lock it like that. Coming on the life like snake in the grass, one with your thickness and your right back.
Da wollen wir lang.
Lucky for you, my friend.
Diese kleine schnuckelige Bar war jetzt gerade mal unsere Reklame. Kurze Aufklärung, wir haben es geschafft. Wir sind oben gelandet und jetzt geht es wieder runter. Den Berg runter. Durch den Wald. Über Stock und Stein. Ja, ohne Regen. Und hört ihr, es ist schon Karneval in der City. Wir sind oben auf dem Berg. Einfach. Und hört es trotzdem. Ja. Stunden später. Hauptsache, der Bambus ist drauf. Ja. Komm zurück! Komm zurück! Bist du da?
Yes.
Okay.
Something good gonna happen in this year, and I am grateful that I made it here. Yesterday's gone and a new day has appeared, and I am grateful that I made it here. Blessings gonna find me here, oh yeah. Favor gonna find me here, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I miss say money gonna find me, blessings gonna find me, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Round and round, these seasons I've been facing, but this year, your blessings I'm embracing. Hey, healing have you come my way, blessings have you come my way. Winning, we winning and we here to stay. Is the blessings me say will find me here? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those. Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello.
Wir wollten mal kurz festhalten. Wir sind jetzt 3,6 Kilometer gelaufen, um nur mal eben in die Stadt zu gehen, weil wir ja gleich einen Ausflug haben zu den Rochen, um zu einem Strand zu kommen. Weil hier gibt es ja 365 Strände, wo man jeden Tag einsehen kann. Und? Haben wir es geschafft? Und es ist so klein. So so, so klein. Also, wir haben es geschafft. Und das Taxi bringt uns definitiv zurück nach Hause.
Come on over, have some fun, dancing in the morning sun. Look into the bright blue sky. Come and let your spirits fly. Living it up, it's a brand new day. Summer sun, it's time to play. Doing things that feel so good. Get into the motion.
Hueles a vainilla, te quiero. Dale, abrázame otro rato. Déjame, te soy sincero. Tiene tiempo que yo trato. Llevaba tiempo buscando a quien cantarle. Soy cuando me siento vulnerable. Dale, abrázame otro rato. Apapáchame la vida entera.
Shakespeare once said, I always feel happy. You know why? Because I don't expect anything from anyone. Expectations always hurt. Life is short. So love your life, be happy, and keep smiling. Just live for yourself, and before you speak, listen. Before you write, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you pray, forgive. Before you hurt, feel. Before you hate, love. Before you quit, try. Before you die, live.
Nein, Rebecca! Was? Man soll doch nicht mehr mit Strohhalme trinken. Wegen dem Klima.
Ach so, aber Larissa, das ist hier ganz egal. Die haben doch hier eine Klimaanlage.
Ach so, dann
das Regenwetter doch gar nicht.
Nein.
Nein?
Nein.
Warum nein?
Nein.
Doch.
Nein. Doch. Nein.
Doch.
Nein.
Doch.
Oh.
So, wieder volles Verkehrschaos, aber wir Hauptsache mittendrin.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody.
Eckhart, ich will nach Haus. Ich muss ins Bett. Ich kann nicht mehr. Ich will nicht mehr. Eckhart, wo bist du?
Eine ehrliche Freundin oder einen ehrlichen Freund zu haben, ist so eine Erleichterung. Kein Neid, keine Lügen, kein Wer hat das bessere Leben. Einfach eine Freundschaft auf Augenhöhe, bei der man so sein darf, wie man ist.
Broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the
Jetzt ist sie schon da. Jetzt ist sie schon da. Zurück, komm zurück. Komm, geh auf. Guck dir die Sonnenaufgang. Ja?
Du bist ein Kind der See und die Welt liegt dir zu Füßen. Dein Horizont erwacht und die Nacht lebt wie der Tag. Dein Stern steht über mir, zwischen Himmel und dem Meer. Impulsschlag der Gezeiten, führst du mich zu dir. Ich denk so oft zurück an dich, als du mein Zuhause warst. Setz ich meine Segel, bist du für
Girl
mich
trip,
da?
definition, no boyfriends, no bullshit, alcoholism, food. That's it.
Große Freiheit.